World Health Organization (WHO) defines stress as a state of worry or mental tension caused by difficult situations, while well-being is a dynamic state of mind characterized by reasonable harmony between a person's abilities, needs, expectations, and environmental demands and opportunities. It is in this regard that OSHA Association Nigeria put together this event in order to drive home the message of employee wellness. The regional president, OSHA Association Nigeria, Dr. Olusegun Aderemi, said work-related stress poses a threat to the health of workers.
We can see that so many people are so stressful. When it comes to a busy schedule in the office, people tend to work and forget about what will happen to them at the end of the day. And we've seen a lot of people collapse during work, and we've also seen a lot of people getting stressed up, leading to death and so many other things. So we tend to train people, talk to them about all this stress, how to reduce it, and also how to work effectively without being overwhelmed. And also for people to be mindful of the fact that if you are stress-free, then your performance will also be higher. If you are very stressful, your performance will reduce.
On her part, Director overseeing Office of the Permanent Secretary, Service Welfare Office, Office of the Head of Civil Service of the Federation, Dr. Comfort Adeosun, also drew attention to the fact that everyone experiences stress to some degree. However, she said the way we respond to stress is what makes a big difference to our overall well-being. Research by the American Institute of Stress has found that 75% of employees believe they have more stress on the job, indicating that 1 in 4 employees view their job as a number one stressor. The National OSH Workshop 2024 featured presentation of certificates and awards to fellow inductees and organizations for their efforts in promoting safety and saving lives in Nigeria at large.
Hereby swear to abide by the following oaths. 1. That I commit to ensure qualitative health and safety. So everybody will take it by bit. I will behave as a good woman. Treat humans respectfully and contribute to the knowledge and science of securing good health, safety and environmental practices. 8. I will make sure that my attitude towards others shall not be influenced by religious philosophy, political opinion, social status, race, ethnicity, nationality, language, gender, sexual preference, age, illness, or disability. 9. I will respect and protect life. So you will sign. This I declare solemnly out of free will and on my word of honor as a member of FOSHA Association UK promoting safety and living and saving lives. So help me God.